guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riquel Angela. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you guys want to know how I created this natural glam look, please stay tuned. But if you haven't already, I suggest you to take a look at my eyebrow tutorial video, in which is what I did to get started for this look. And then in this video, I show you how I create this natural glam look. So if you want to get started into this video, let's get started. So I've already completed my brows in my last tutorial, and right now I am going back over with a little bit more foundation. I just want to make sure that I'm hitting those areas that my blemishes are showing. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the color 445. I'm using the Wet n Wild Coloricon eyeshadow palette, not a basic peach. And I chose that coppery red color as the base of my eyeshadow. I really wanted just to use that color to start off with. I'm applying this color to the lid of my eyelids and along the crease area. I chose not to use concealer as my base first because I just wanted to do something quick and easy. And I thought that just applying eyeshadow first would be just something quick, especially when you want to just have a quick, nice glam look. So now I'm going back into that same palette and I'm using a little bit of that dark chocolate brown and I'm going to mix it with that same red copper color. And I like to blow off a little excess powders that are on the brush. And so because that chocolate brown is very pigmented, I just want to do a little bit by a little bit as I'm applying it in my crease area. And you're going to see me go back using that coppery red color and I'm just going to blend and blend and blend because I don't want that dark chocolate color to be so bold. I just want it to be just enough where you can see the transition between the two colors because we're going for something that's kind of natural, not too much, but very subtle in a way. In that same eyeshadow palette, I'm using the gold eyeshadow color along my eyelids, and I want to make sure that I blend in that gold very nicely on my lids. And then also I want to make sure that it transitions very well as it comes into my crease line with that dark chocolate and that coppery color. Once I finish applying the gold to my eyelids, I'm going back in with that red copper color back into my crease area because I want to make sure again that the colors are blended very nicely. So I'm just kind of going back just with a little bit of that coppery red color. In the same Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow color palette, I'm using that really light, soft, pigmented eyeshadow right under my brow line. And I'm just going to blend that in very well. So now I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Vinyl Liquid Liner in the color black, and I'm just drawing along my natural eyelash line. And I am going to make a winged eyeliner look, but I didn't want my wing to be long. I didn't want it to be too bold. I just wanted it to be just enough, not too much. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Retouch Setting Powder in the color Nutmeg, and I'm just going along all around my face using a powdered brush. Oops. Once I finish setting my foundation using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Setting Powder, I'm going in with the Revolution Baking Powder in the color Terra Cotta and the color Deep Dark. I chose to mix them two together in my own little container, and I'm applying that using the ECOTOOLS Total Perfecting Beauty Blender. And I make sure that I am pressing in that setting powder under my eyes, above my lips, on my forehead, on my chin, and I will apply it right in the bridge of my nose. This is just like my quick and easy way to kind of, I guess, contour my face without having to use concealers. And then it kind of also keeps the load of makeup a little bit lighter on my face. I don't really like to have a lot of heavy makeup on my face. So this is just something that I do really quick without having to use that extra step of using the concealers to contour my face. So now I'm just blending using my powder brush, making sure that I don't have like any harsh lines of powders along my face. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, blend it, girl. Now I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and I'm just applying that to my lashes before I apply my false lashes. So here is the complete and final look. I went ahead and applied my eyelashes. I added blush to my cheeks. I used lip liner and lip gloss. And if you guys want to know all the details, please check it out in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching my makeup tutorial on how I created this natural glam look. If you guys are wanting more videos like this, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you in my next video.